I'm Sherry McGuirk. I'm a realtor with Sagan Harborside Sotheby's International Realty. And I'm so excited to give you a tour of this great new listing at 320 Atlantic Ave in Marblehead. A great seaside community about 18 miles north of Boston. This home was built in the 1960s, and it's a typical multi-level home. It has about 2,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a half bath. The living room and dining room flow into each other. As you can see in the dining area, it's perfect for intimate gatherings for your family, or else plenty of room to extend out to entertain. That way, anybody who's getting ready in the kitchen can see what's happening in the dining and living room. A few years ago, the homeowners took a nice porch and they enclosed it and made it a home office, which is really a great location, also bright and sunny, and it gives you access to your backyard and your deck. I'm standing in the master bedroom suite. The master bedroom has a great double-sized closet, but it also has a full bathroom that the homeowners renovated a few years ago. There are 2 other good-sized bedrooms in the home on the same level. Marblehead is a really quaint, historic town. It's got so many terrific features. This home happens to sit between 2 of the best beaches and is part of a neighborhood association. At the end of the street, you have the ability to access the water from a private beach that's really only open to your neighbors and family. So come take a tour with me and picture yourself living here.